Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to update your PS5 controller to the latest software. Now if your controller needs an update, when you first turn on your PS5 you should be greeted with this message. This is letting you know that a new update is available and you can either select update now or notify after 24 hours. Now if you're like me, you'll mostly select notify after 24 hours so you can get straight into gameplay. However, once you're finished with your gameplay and you're on the main PS5 console, you may want to update it now. So what you want to do is come up to the settings and then come down to accessories. Then you want controller, and on the controller settings you want DualSense wireless controller device software. And when you select this, it'll let you know if an update is required, and in our case an update is needed. And what you want to do then is connect the PS5 controller to the PS5. You can do this with the USB cable that come with your PS5. And once they're connected, you simply want to click update. PS5 controller updates are fairly quick and shouldn't take too long to complete. You can also come back to the DualSense wireless control device software to check if any more updates are available. And as you can see here, the latest version of DualSense wireless controller device software is already installed, so no update is required now. So that's how you update your PS5 controller. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.